Okay, so that first section is F sharp minus 7. So I'm up here on the 9th fret with a bar chord, classic, F minus 7 chord. And I hammer on the B string, A to B on the 12th fret with my little finger. Then I move to B minus 7. And I play that note on that B string twice. Then the next chord is A7 over B flat. And an interesting chord, there's that A7 at the top there, the B flat. And then I have A7 sus13. Basically always playing the top note twice. Then I will have this chord E sus2 or G sharp. I tend to play it this way with my thumb. You could play it also with a bar. So I'm playing all the notes apart from the note on the A string. And then I will have G, which is like a D. It's like D over G. It's basically like a G major 7 with a 9th or 13th. Then I will have that D flat. It's like a Hendrix chord on the D flat, fourth fret. And I'm barring the B and E strings. And then there's basically just a D major 7 chord. This is the first half. Second half is exactly the same. But the end is D7 sharp 9, and it ends on this C7 flat 5. So I have C, B flat, D, and then F sharp at the top, or G flat actually. The second section, these are just chords that I suggest because they're mainly played by the keyboard. So I would say that B major 7, you can play the same chord as we play for G, so that would be like a major 7, 9, 13. I can play E minor 11. Then there is an A flat minor 9. I play this shape, which is basically like almost like a G flat over A flat, but the B string is open to play the B note, which is a minor 3rd. Quite like that chord. And G over A, quite simple, a sus chord. Then I can have D major 7 9, and this is quite a classic Steely Dan chord, isn't it? Then you can have C sharp sus, this is just purely a bar, or you can play B over C sharp, same thing. And then actually this is probably a better choice, because then we go to C7 flat 5. So the B section sounds something like this: 2 3 4 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. That's that. The first section, in terms of the improvisation, as far as I can hear, they only play F minor pentatonic. You can hear it in the first bit. So that's all just F sharp minor pentatonic. The next section obviously is a bit trickier, so it's because some of the chords are quite far from each other. So the first chord is B major 7. I tend to stay away from the sharp 11, like that, the fourth, and I tend to play things that only if I'm 100% sure that there's a That's the sound I will play, the sharp 11. So the next chord is E minor. So obviously that's E minor Dorian or D major 7. Then I have A flat minor 7 and minor 9. So again, that's A flat Dorian, which is G flat major. Then I have A sus to D major 7. It's obviously a 5-1. And that's all D major 7. Then I have C sharp sus, B over C sharp. Again, you can play a B triad over that, or anything in fourths, really. And then I have C7, which is obviously Lydian dominant. Yeah, so let's try and play over this. Let's just try and improvise over this tune with those hints. And so on. So that's the idea. Not perfect solo, but to give you the ideas on how to follow the chords. I hope this was helpful. Please check out the pinned comment for the link to the original and all my links in the description section of this video. Share, like, the usual stuff. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.